no.
Come on, man.
I would not, I don't want to.
Simone there.
I do, but remember, I am otherwise employed.
Yeah, so
Gainfully.
who I must
so,
ask? Who I must ask to give you the time out?
Mr. Paul Ho
Hey,
and Mr. Danny Morrison.
Hey, Mr. Paul and Mr. Danny. Give her a Friday now, please. So she'll have to leave early Thursday. So they are Thursday afternoon and all day Friday. She'll be back on Monday, refreshed. And just add a lot more to the business and to her department. And her movement around the place will be just top.
As opposed to bottom, it's usually top.
It's usually top?
Yes.
Well, there you go. It will be topper.
Topper.
Topper. Thank you very much. So she wanted to leave about 2 o'clock Thursday, and she'll be back about 2 o'clock Monday. No, we're going to make her come in early Monday. So Mr. Paul and Mr. Danny,
2 o'clock Monday? What are you talking about?
I just said you'll be early Monday.
No, but that's not like you're not making a good case.
No,
You're supposed to say she would drive down after work on Thursday.
No, and Saturday you'll be back.
I could be back on Friday. The broadcast finish at 9 o'clock.
Yeah, but me no want you already come in. We want you to take your time and relax.
No, lime, you want to go lime.
No, I am getting up some time for you, Mr. Paul and Mr. Danny, please. Plus, I buy lots of cash pot.
Yes, you do. And you win lots of cash pot. And you don't share.
I don't win as much as
and you didn't come
I
to
should.
race day.
Yeah. No,
I'm not inviting you to no more
No,
race
that's
day.
not fair. I said, the next invite you invite me, I'm there.
That's what you told me the last time.
No, I did not.
That's what you told me the last time.
Yeah, the last
and the
time you
before
invited me.
that.
No. All right. Listen to me now. The next time you invite me to Cayman Spark, I am coming.
Okay.
I promise you that.
You promised me that.
I promise you. One more thing before we go to the show.
Make you put it in writing.
More do me whole head. Bleach up my whole head. What do you think?
Bleach your whole head? Why are you asking me?
You usually...
The last time you asked me to do something, I recommended a style. You told me that you had to check with a particular person and it was vetoed.
Yeah.
So what difference does it make what I say? Just go straight to the source.
No, the other person can't veto this. This is your thing now.
Bleach?
Just the whole of the top.
Just the top alone and leave the head?
So do the whole head?
You just said I want to do my whole head.
I mean, I meant the top. But what is your suggestion? I'm very serious, you know.
Like peroxide bleach out?
Like what they do the line. What I call bleach.
The whole head?
It's not bleach, I did bleach.
Yes, you did.
Right, so I want to put, well, what is the color? Brown, what is the color?
No, that's like white.
No, white, no, it wasn't white. Eh?
It was not bronze, that was not bronze.
But it wasn't white either, but that color.
It's close.
Waiting.
Can I get back to you now? Next year?
No, long dollar waiting.
I don't know about that. Why the whole head though?
I don't know, a long time I don't know nothing with me, and I just feel like I want something different.
I told you the perfect move
to make. No, I'm not going to ball it.
Why not? You know that there's a study that says that many women find men more sexy when their heads are bald?
So you never tell me that from long time. With a ball it from day one.
That's all I had to say. I know it's not.
Hey, brother, true?
Isn't it not? Is it not true? And men who get older, no, it's true. And men who get older tend to give themselves a younger appearance and a more suave and sexy kind of swag, bald their heads. I look in my face good. I look like would I lead you astray? All right, I would lead you astray. No, but I am serious.
All right, okay.
It's true.
All right, here's the plan. Here's the plan.
Okay, I'm listening.
We have a plan here now.
What's the plan?
So bleach it first and then ball it.
But you might have to ball it after you bleach it. So all right then, I could do that then.
Where's the bleach? It's her call. It's her call. Anything she said. What's on the show?
Bald. I say bald.
No, I can't go straight to bald.
You just said anything I say.
Yeah, but I don't tell you that already. So anything you say outside, going straight to bald.
All right. Run up the prompter, I can tell you what's on the show, because it's a lost cause.
I'm not.
You may be feeling the Monday blues, but we are going to motivate you this morning and prove that Monday can be other colors too, not just blue, so stick around for that.
There you go. Color Me Healthy. We give you the waistline-friendly meal plans that will keep you in shape.
Oh, and when you're in shape, you're going to want to stay active, so we're taking you on a hike. The hiking is becoming a thing in Jamaica, I know. No thanks. We're taking you on a hike. That's bound to be a lot of fun.
I want to go back to the waistline thing.
Yes, what about it?
So, remember I tell you I can't stop eat bread? Let me just stop.
Eating bread?
I don't buy bread for 2 weeks, but then I buy it Friday.
Let me ask you a question.
But I went done with bread.
So
I realized I
you
can't do
finish
it
with sugar and you finish with bread? So you
Well, I don't finish with sugar, but I just cut down a lot on the sugar. No, I said that, I said I'm going to have, the only place I'll have sugar is in the tea.
Is your punch, is that thing you were complaining about, is it gone?
It's going down, actually. It never really come up too much, but it's going down.
I can give you a thing that can
But
get
I never
it gone
had bread for about 2 weeks, and I can do without bread. But then I was eating crackers, and then I hear say crackers is the same thing like bread.
You are such a dummy boo. They know the same flour and something.
I never
yeah,
know.
For real?
I didn't know.
Eat whole wheat bread.
I know I eat bread. I can do without it. But I bought on Friday or Thursday, but I realize now that I can do without it. So I don't
know. I'm from a baking family. I can't do it without
I
bread.
can do it without. And this news is no fun. Doctors potentially at risk of PTSD. We explored the complications of the large number of trauma cases at KPH.
Wow.
I can do without bread.
Okay,
And
then
sugar.
we'll ask the doctors if you should do without bread, because you need some carbs in your diet. Then we're going to leave Jamaican news. We're going to head overseas with our news pilot, Maxim, who's taking us on a red-eye flight to everything that happened last week that was noteworthy. Then what now?
Then it's the red flags that you could let slide on the first date.
All right. Then we slide on over to the Smile stage. Makihan is heating up the stage, but first we're going to get the heat going with some hot topics. So take a break from Chronics and head into that. Go on and if you really think you're here for your pretty look.
So the OUR, the Office of Utilities Regulation, they say it saved customers over $9 billion, with a B, on their Jamaica Public Service Company bills. Apparently that came from a successful defense of a claim by the JPS for it to recover from consumers the cost of a 2008 reclassification of certain positions at the utility company. So JPS had filed a claim in 2009 seeking approval from the OUR to recover for something billion incurred for salary payments to employees and related taxes. This came by way of a tariff adjustment using a Z-factor provision in its license. I don't know what that is. But it was rejected. That's the good news. So in a release, the OUR explains that had the JPS been successful in its appeal, and they appealed to everyone, apparently. They appealed to the Privy Council, they appealed to the Supreme Court, they appealed to everything. But they all turned them down.
So how much would we have had to?
So customers would have had to repay the $4.27 billion plus interest, which would come up to $9.78 billion. Isn't that just brilliant?
Thank you very much, OUR. We
That's
appreciate
brilliant.
you advocating on our behalf and saving us that bag of money that we would have had to pay back.
Next one.
I heard you guys had Kelly Tomlin here when I was gone.
Yeah, because she's finished.
She's gone now, eh?
Yeah.
All right, so Queen Elizabeth apparently has hired her first ever black assistant.
Yeah, what's called it? An equerry. Major
Wow.
Nana Kofi Twomasi Ankra. Is a, what do you say, a
Jeez.
Ghanaian?
Ghanaian. Yeah,
Ghanaian-born officer.
Wow.
Yeah,
He's
so
a
you
new,
know.
so he's a personal assistant.
Yeah.
He will act as one of her most trusted attendants, assisting her with official engagements and welcoming high-profile guests to royal residences. It's a big job. It's a big job.
He becomes the first black British Army officer commissioned into the household cavalry and acted as an escort commander for the wedding of the Duke and Duchess of Cambridge back in 2011.
Oh, that's it. Congratulations to you, sir.
Yeah, they call him
big deal.
Tar. So he's Major Tar, 38 years old. Big thing. There you go. Major Tar.
All right. Finally, we want to say she's not here, but obviously we're very happy. Hope she gets word that we're happy that you're okay. Sophia Brown, reggae singer from Jamaica, was yesterday involved in a motor vehicle accident in the United States. She was on her way to perform at the Jamaica Day Reggae Festival in Baltimore. Apparently she was driving. She was accompanied by her cameraman and her makeup artist. On her way to the concert.
Got hit in the back.
Got hit in the back. She said, all I can remember is something slammed in the back of our rental car, spinning it out of control across another busy highway, and we ended up in a ditch. Videographer was knocked unconscious. Makeup artist got thrown forward to the front of the vehicle as I was driving. I didn't know myself or what just happened. All I knew, I was in a ditch. The car was totaled. Luckily, though, it would seem that everybody is okay. No life-threatening or limb-threatening injuries. So, Sophia, we're glad to hear that. Take good care. I don't think so.
You know, I feel so.
Dennis has a daughter who sings, but it's not so.
But it's not so.
They've been around for a long time.
All right.
I don't think so. All right. That's it?
Yeah.
Who born today?
Mrs. Shanna Miller. Mrs. Miller, happy birthday. Which is coming from your mommy, from Kaden, Dominic, Samara, and Wayne, your husband. They all love you. We love you. I hope you have an absolutely brilliant and amazing day today. And I certainly wish you many, 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 many more.
Happy birthday to Odine Fraser and your father Herbie, or hereby? Hearby? Hereby Fraser? Okay. All right, so Odine and your dad, born on the same day, coming from Cornwall Mountain District, your family and friends. Good morning to and happy birthday to Carleen Thompson. This lady lives for Smile Jamaica and lives for you, actually.
We
call her Miss C. She's having a birthday today. We're bringing her up.
Easy, Miss C.
Gosh. Style off in your pearls and thing.
Happy birthday,
happy birthday to you, Miss C, and have a fantastic day today. I cannot believe it is the 17th of July.
Why not?
Because the time is just doing like airplane things. It's flying.
Yes.
It's incredible.
Someone's on a birthday. I'd suggest you start saving for that.
Who has a birthday?
I'd suggest you start saving for my birthday.
In November?
Time flies.
July, August, September.
By the time you spin wrong is November.
What do you want for your birthday?
Huh?
What do you want? Okay, good. I don't have it.
Happy birthday.
No, that mean it's very expensive. Try your best.